This is question 3 and 4 from Algebra 2 week 5. And remember, your attendance word, give me your favorite word, or just any word you think of. For question 3, it's a little bit longer, and there's 2 powers on it. We're going to do the same thing we did in question 2 though. So I'm going to expand it out. Because they're all multiplying, I do this expansion rule here, where I can separate them and put a plus in the middle. I'm just going to do that 3 times. So log 5, 3 plus log 5, 6 plus log 6. Just enough room. So I've kept the number down here the same. Remember, that doesn't matter very much. You don't even need to put that in your answers this week, okay? And then I've just put them spread out. Each one now has its own log, and there's a plus in the middle. I'm now just going to use the rule here, where we bring any powers down to the front of the log. So for the first one here, you can see there's a 3 I can bring for the front. So it will look like this. Okay, he's moved down. Let me just show you so you can see it clearly. Whoop. And then for the second one, I'm going to do it too. 6 log 5. And for the last one, there's no power. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Plus log, and I'm just going to be cheeky here and give myself a bit more space. Log 5, 6, okay, perfect. And that is my final answer for number 3. Okay. Number 4, you can see it's a little bit different this time because the power is on the outside of the brackets. For number 2 and 3, it was on the number, or the letter itself. On this one, it's outside. So what that means is, it's going to be attached to both of them. Alright, it's like exponent rules where if there's power right here, it goes on both of them. So there's a couple ways to do this. I think the best way to do it, in my opinion, is to first thing, bring it down to the front. So instead of waiting, you can wait, but this is how I like to do it. I like to immediately think of bringing it down to the front using the second rule here. So I've got 6 log 14 and then I've got my QK in my bracket. Alright, see what's happened there? And now I'm going to do this rule where I expand it and there's a plus sign in the middle. Now when you're doing this, because there's a 6 in front of this, it's going to stay in front of them both. Alright? So it's going to be 6 log 14q plus 6 log 14k. Alright? So when you've got a number in front of the log, or a letter, and you're expanding it, it has to stay in front of both of these terms. That's all for this week. Try and do the other 6 questions. And you're all doing really good. Keep it up.